Meet Swoop, the quirkiest Kookaburra you'll ever meet. While most Kookaburras dive for worms and insects, Swoop, she'll dive straight for rump steak. Every sunrise, as if on a schedule, Swoop swoops down for her daily visit. It's not just the savory steak she's after, but a bit of friendly interaction too. In my hand, she finds a perch, settling down comfortably, and sometimes she's just not ready to take flight again. Her chirps, steak cravings, and our morning rendezvous make for an unforgettable start to the day. Cheers to Swoopy, the steak-loving Kookaburra with a heart full of charm.